Today, I'll tell you the truth about RevX oil additive, as many people swear by this stuff. Now, I've been contacted by a lot of people asking me to expose RevX for what they really are. However, I need to do before and after testing of this formula to see if it actually works or doesn't. Now, I'm also working with multiple people to have this formula tested in their vehicles so they can give me their input as well. But before we get into all that, let's start off by telling you just what this formula claims that RevX can actually do. Increases efficiency, increases horsepower and torque, greatly improves starting in cold weather, extreme reduction in component wear, reduces operating temperatures to increase performance, increased lubricant service life, can be used in all types of lubricants, engine oils, gear lubricants, and hydraulic fluids. Provides smoother operation of all treated components for use in a huge variety of applications that require the best lubricating fluid possible. Contains no graphite, moly, Teflons, acids, or anything else that's harmful. RevX is safe for all soft and exotic metals. Environmentally friendly green product. Now let's take a look at what's inside the MSDS for RevX, a highly refined mineral oil. Unfortunately, they're not going to provide much more information than that on the MSDS. I even contacted them and they were definitely reluctant, but they don't want to give up that trade secret of this miracle oil additive. They say to add 4 ounces of RevX oil additive to each oil change. Now, as I've contacted the people that have used RevX, unfortunately, 2 of the people said there was basically no difference at all. They checked their performance, their fuel economy, the temperature of the engine, negligible at best, but no good. Now, for the other 2, there was definitely a difference. It actually hurt their engine. If anything, yeah, they noticed that the engine was running a little bit hotter, but nothing to be too concerned about. However, I've seen a lot of people say that they've actually had damage from this product. Now, that kind of contradicts the people that say this stuff is like gold. I mean, it's the creme de la creme of oil additives, but it seems like to me it's just another overpriced additive, snake oil at best. Now you see how much they want for this stuff. About 40 bucks for 4 ounces. I mean, really, that's ridiculous. I can't believe they have the nerve to even say so. Now, they say how environmentally friendly they are and green. They use nothing good in their product, or so it would seem. Now, as for the wear test, you can check that out in my videos, guys. I mean, this stuff did not do anything good to protect. However, the regular oil with nothing in it actually done much better than when I added the correct amount of this RevX, used heat to mix it up well, that way everything was done just like it would be inside of an engine, brought it to about what the operating temperatures would be. I even checked out the cold pour test to see if it affected the cold pour, and it was actually a little bit worse when I added this formula. So I don't know what kind of efficiency and protection they're talking about. Maybe they're talking about for space shuttles or something like that, because that's about the size of it. This stuff is an absolute scam if you ask me and the people that have used it. Now you'll find a few of these guys trying to peddle this stuff or sell it, but hey, I don't care to tell you guys the truth. I don't have no stake in this. It doesn't matter to me. Go ahead and buy it. Spend your money on it. And besides, don't worry about me, guys. If this company wants to come after me, hey, let them. I'm protected by the Consumer Review Fairness Act, allowing me to state the truth about these products, so they can bring it on anytime. As always, guys, please drop down, let us know if you use this product. Now, you've probably seen one of these videos, a one-armed bandit machine, a little bit similar to mine. except they're using their hand to apply pressure so they can control it. Or you'll see they'll have weights on it like mine, which is correct. However, what they'll leave out is that what about how long the machine's running? It may look like it's running that long, the same as the other product, but more than likely it's not. Matter of fact, I use a timer that cuts the machine on and off on its own. This way I don't even have to lay a finger on it. It just does it. Because if one's running longer, obviously we know what's going to happen. Or if you allow a test to be done on, say, the oil first, or the machine's heated up, then you do the test, then the results aren't going to be as good. So there's a lot of ways people can pull this one off. Now, make your own decision, do what you want. But like I said, if you've got experience with the product, good or bad, hey, you think I'm wrong? Let me know all about it. Come tell us about it in the NIE community. It goes a long way to help others, sharing your experience and knowledge. As always, guys, I want to thank you for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.